Hello friends, this is Akshay Kadam. I am an educator for UPSC and I am faculty for philosophy essay segment of UPSC as well as ethics paper. So guys, now your 23's exams prelims result have been announced. Okay, so I would like to let you know that I am going to start one mentoring program for essay and ethics paper. So it is a mentoring plus test series come program. So in this program guys, I will be taking 4 essay papers and 4 ethics paper. Okay, in essay paper my focus will be largely on philosophy segment of the essay, and even ethics the focus will be more on conceptual clarity. So in the essay series, test series will contain 8 papers, 4 of essay, 4 of ethics. And in these 8 topics I will be discussing with you some online lectures in online meetings, where I will be discussing with you a lot of answer writing tips related to essay writing, as well as a lot of tips related to ethics answer writing. And then after every test series paper, there will be comprehensive discussion of the answers, along with entire structuring of the answers. Model answers will be discussed in detail. And later on, after evaluating your papers, okay, there will also be individual interaction for those who wanted the individualized feedback or opinion on some feedbacks if they wanted to discuss that. So test series will be followed by in-depth discussion of both essay and ethics paper, and also one-on-one interaction. Okay, so those who are interested, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, and test series will start in next 7-8 days. Okay, so thanks for listening guys, and let's work out together. Thank you.